Breaking the bumper was not enough. She could not go the whole day with just breaking the bumper. She's like, I always break bumpers. She's like, I gotta smash the wall today.
Good morning. So I accidentally smashed Blaine's car into one of the walls at Thunderhill. It's not the worst, but I do need to fix it. So I'm gonna need to try to see if I can pound it out. We do have a shell on the side of the house that has some fresh quarters on it, but that's kind of like the worst case scenario. We don't really want to use it if we don't have to, because it is fresh quarters. So if we do decide to build the shell later on down the line, it's pretty much good. We did get a dent puller set. I didn't open it yet, but I'm gonna see if I can try to hammer it out just a little bit, because it's kind of deep in there, so kind of just get the starting shape of it going, and then we can open that. It's not too bad. It's pushed back maybe this much. What is that? Maybe like 4-5 inches. So the bash bar is probably what saved it. Blaine said that this probably took a lot of the impact, and luckily it did, because if not, this whole part would have just crumpled in. And also too, the battery is back here, so at least it didn't go past the battery box. It still seems like it's in there. So the main part is that the tail light fell off and the mounting points got all pushed back. So I'm gonna see if I can start doing this section first, at least so we can get a tail light back in there. Oh, never mind, it's already taken out. Okay, I guess just go for it.
Yeah, it's looking a lot better.
Yeah. It's starting to come, even this little piece that got folded in, it's starting to come out. I'm just worried about getting this straight.
I think for that we can use this welder thing.
There is a, do you want to see the fitment for the light? It's like almost there. So, do you see it? It's like touching the hole, but it's right above it. I think if I just pound this top out more a little bit, because the holes need to come just a little bit higher.
Yeah. Cool. Good job.
Thanks. Okay.
It's like almost there. Yeah, this bottom is smashed.
Oh yeah. It's looking pretty good. This part is decent. Just this part has a big gap that we could probably close up a little bit more.
I feel like the Type X tails will not fit in here though.
Anymore?
Because I have to flex this to get it to fit.
Oh, that it is huge.
It's alive.
Like there's a black widow.
Look at this thing.
It was just chilling under there.
Look how scary that looks.
I don't know, I don't like spiders.
Come here. I'm trying to take you away.
Just grab it with your hand.
Yeah. Sure. Oh, that is a Black Widow. Look.
Oh,
Spider-Man.
yeah.
Look, Spider-Man. Whoa.
So Blaine got this so that way we can try to pull out the dents. So we pretty much got, I guess, most of it back to where it should be, but it's just a little bit of the smaller pieces that we can't really get to. So we're gonna try and see, hopefully this does it.
Oh yeah. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah.
Feels good?
I don't know if it feels good, but this is the bug.
Oh.
Where the handle stay.
This is everything that came in that dent puller set. I'm not too sure why there's two, but there's two of these. Not gonna lie though, it seems super confusing, and I didn't really ever look up these kind of things before. When we were doing metal work like on the fenders, it was all kind of building it, not reshaping, so I really don't know what to do. There's a whole bunch of different attachments in here, but I think the one that I'm gonna try to use is this one, the squiggly one, just because it has a rounded edge where the light is, and I think I could probably bend it like this and then see if I can kind of pull it out without kind of messing up the shape too much. I'm still not too sure though, so I'm gonna do some more research and look up some YouTube videos before we try. But I just wanted to open it up and see what came with the welder. There's also this, and then I think you just hook it on to the squiggly lines and you can kind of pull it. I'm pretty sure you can just use like 2 at a time or something, so you can kind of make it more rounded, hopefully. But honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is gonna be a couple part process. It kind of has the shape of it already, and the tail light fits in it now. The bolts kind of align, so we have the main sections formed to it. I just need to do some research on how we're gonna fine-tune it, but so far it looks pretty good. So this is gonna be the end of day one's progress. I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. It's pretty much, yeah, just this piece right here that needs some work, or the most work out of all the other sides. It does need to come out a lot, but I think using the puller would be a lot better than trying to keep hammering it on the inside, because now it's starting to create a little bit more dents in it. But the sun is gonna go down, so that's it for today. I was originally going into this having super high hopes that it wasn't gonna be that hard, because I thought I did the fenders on my car and doing the metal work for it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. And even when the fender broke off, we put it back on, did all the body work, and it wasn't that bad, honestly. But this is a whole different piece of the car, and there's so many different body curves on it that this is a big job. I got my work cut out for me, but I guess everything is a learning experience. At least I know in the future to not hit the wall, or at least I know how to fix it if this ever happens again. But I do think that we're kind of getting somewhere. It is pretty bad, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of research to see how to fix it and use the dent puller. But if you guys have any tips or recommendations on how to use it, let me know, because I really don't know how to use it. So leave any recommendations down below. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next one, because there will be a lot of parts to this. Peace out and stay good.